Alright, so last time we went street food hunting and we tried a lot of stuff that really didn't have much of a line. But tonight we're gonna go back and try a few things that had the longer lines, so we can kind of wait around. This is actually our first time out of the room today. I was editing videos all day and then we just walked out. Now it's night, you can see. So it's just like a weird feeling being in the room all day and then finally getting some fresh air. So it feels really nice to get outside right now. Whew. But anyway, I think we're gonna start here. The food street area is coming up, and then we'll find a place that has like a longer line. There's one place that you did want to try.
Yes, I saw that last night, and I found it yummy, so I'm gonna try that.
Yeah, so tonight, we kind of got filled up because we kept eating lots of different things at different locations. And my stomach was full of like scorpions and centipedes.
Cockroach.
Yeah, cockroach. So tonight we're gonna try something a little bit more appetizing.
Yes.
All right, Tara?
Tara.
So we haven't even made it to the street food area and you can already like smell the food that's coming up. It smells so good. So imagining at the end of the day when they're selling food, they take these like home with them. And then right now they're just kind of getting started. So when they get ready, they bring them back out. So here's some of the scorpion stuff that we tried the other time. Not tonight. Maybe Richie tonight.
No.
I think we'll skip that tonight. Alright, so Richie found what she wanted today. I think it's some kind of squid. But it's another busy night. Alright, so we ordered, I'm not sure exactly what it looks like yet, but it's some kind of squid, and the line is pretty long. It's around a half-hour wait. But we have our number, and then, so I think we're just going to take a walk and then come back, and we'll show you guys what it looks like. There's so many people around. It's like shoulder to shoulder, pretty much, yeah. So it's about 25 minutes later, and here's like the line. We're just waiting for our number to be called. I wonder how many squid they sell a night. Look at that. And it just goes and goes and goes. There's so many people ordering. Now we're just trying to find a place to eat it.
Yes.
So now we're going to try to walk through here without spilling anything. Alright, I'll try to worm my way through here. I think we're on the wrong side of the road. Looks like this way is on that side. Alright, now we're in the flow of traffic. Right here? Alright.
Oh.
Is it too spicy or not so spicy?
Not so spicy.
Okay. Is it more like salsa? Like tomato and onions and maybe some sauce? Okay.
Now it's spicy.
Now it's spicy. How spicy from 1 to 10?
7.
7, okay, okay. I think your 7 is probably my 11.
You should try the other part that doesn't have.
Okay. Alright, so I'll see how spicy it really is.
Wow, it's a lot of chili. Look at that.
Wow, it really is. I'm gonna try one down here where it hasn't touched the chili.
Look at that
that's a
chili.
pretty big piece.
I'll get the chili.
Alright.
Good luck.
Let's see how let's see.
Good luck.
Right away, it's so spicy.
You want water?
It's good though,
It's
but
really
it
good.
is spicy.
Yeah. They said like this one helps the spiciness. If you
Okay.
eat the spicy, then eat this one.
Give me all those. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, that is really spicy. I think I'm crying. But it is really good. It's hard. You can't say it's not good.
You're not gonna eat?
I'll have a few more. My mouth is on fire.
Wow. Eat that thing.
Alright. That's a lot of chili. Wow. Even Richie's eyes are watering.
Wow. It is so spicy.
So when Richie says it's spicy, it's got to be pretty spicy, and it is really spicy.
Look at that chili. Look at that. One bundle. More chili.
Oh. All right, guys. I think I forfeit. I'm starting to have a runny nose. I'm sweating. Whew. I can breathe clearly now, though. Before I had a stuffy nose. Now it's all clear.
I'll just eat the leaves.
Whew. That was really good, but it was really spicy. So I think I forfeit, and Richie can take it from here.
Wow. I'll just eat the small part first. With the chili.
Look at that bus. They got drinks down there, seats.
Thai bus food store.
Ah, so it's like a bus food tour. That's really cool. So you can ride that around and like tour around the city and eat while you go. That's a really good idea. I missed it to hit record, but they had like tables up top and you can kind of sit and enjoy your meal as you go. How many pictures have you taken since you've been here?
Oh my god, many pictures. When I look at it, like almost my phone is almost full storage.
All right, so now we're on our way to try something sweet. I keep looking behind me because I think Richie's crying, but you gotta know it's spicy when Richie can't even finish it. So she's still working on it, but it is so spicy. I had to quit. I had to stop. My mouth was on fire. But it's really good. It's good, but it's really, really spicy.
Yeah, my mouth is on fire right now.
Yeah. But now the plan is to go find something a little bit more sweet to give our tongue a break. And it should be right up here. There's like a donut that they make up here that we're gonna try. All right, so I found what I wanted. It's like a homemade donut thing. And they stuff it in with goodness over there. So here's the menu, the different things you can put in there. You guys let me know if the screen is flickering. I don't know if it's these lights or not, but I think the lights are making my camera a little goofy. So sorry if you can't see. But here's a little look of how they make it. Here's all the ingredients. I got egg custard and chocolate. Thank you very much. All right. So I'm gonna go find Richie, and then we'll try this donut. There she is over there. So I think these two very happy people are the founders of this donut. Let's see how it tastes. All right, here we go. So here's the egg custard first. This is a lot easier to chew and enjoy it than the spicy. The spicy was enjoyable, which is a little bit too spicy for me. This is delicious. This is a good thing to second that. All right, Richie will try the chocolate one.
Wow.
Look at that. I'm excited to try that one. How's that one? Pretty good? I wonder if it's like Nutella. Wow, look at that oozing out of there. That looks delicious.
From spicy and that one sweet. It's a good combination.
Yeah.
Now the spiciness disappears.
Good. So that was the trick. So if you're eating spicy food and you want it to disappear, just get some sweet food like this. Awesome. All right, so I'm gonna try the chocolate. Look at that. Wow.
Let me know that you need me. There's nothing you're after. You never leave me. The touch of your hands, you catch me where I fall. In your head, darling, darling, darling.
All right, guys, so we're next in line. Hopefully the wait is worth it. But it's all the way down there.
4 hours of waiting. Then they will say no more.
Sorry, we're closed.
We're done.
You guys can go home, try again tomorrow.
Just come back tomorrow.
All right, so here is the menu. I just asked the guy here what was the most popular. He said the Hong Kong fried noodle. But look, they got fried shark.
Whoa.
That's pretty cool. Bird nest, I'm not sure what that is. Shark fin soup.
Bird nest?
Oh yeah, I'm
I
not
think
sure
it's
what
a
that is.
real. It's like bird nest.
A bird nest, like the straw, the leaves, and the bark.
Yeah.
Maybe Richie, want to
They got
try
that
it?
from the tree. That's why it's expensive. It's hard to climb up there.
Yeah, you're right. We saw the name bird nest down here, and Richie said in the Philippines there's like something that people eat that's called sayao. That it's like birds spit, and they
It's like
spit
a
that
nest.
on the nest,
Yeah.
and then people actually eat the nest.
Yeah, and it's very expensive because it's rare. But they said it's very healthy and yummy.
Wow. Do you know anybody that has tried it before? I never heard of that before.
Father, I think.
Your
He
dad,
told me,
okay.
He told me.
So he's originally from Negros, so maybe that's a thing that they do there. But let us know, people who watch this in the Philippines, if you ever heard of sayao. It's like bird saliva on like twigs and sticks, and they eat the sticks and the twigs.
Yeah, I think.
We don't know exactly sure, so if you
Yeah,
guys know
but maybe
information,
this
let us
one.
know. Yeah, I'm not sure. They does say bird nest on there. I really have no idea what that would be. All right, so the food just came in. So Richie said she's full, but I know she wants to try this.
How did you know?
Are you good with these? All right, I used to be pretty decent with these. Very, very good. Have you had anything like that before?
First time.
All right, so another good night on the walking street, eating lots of different foods. Whew, now I'm pretty bazook. That's pretty good.
Yes.
What'd you like better, this or your spicy stuff that you ate?
All. Yeah.
Yeah, the spicy was good, but honestly it was too spicy for me. It's
It
funny,
was spicy, but
at first I was like, oh, this isn't so bad. Then I kept eating more, and after a while I was like,
yeah.
But it was good, it was pretty tasty, but it was pretty spicy too. And then this was good, and then the donut was really, really good. And everything so far. It's like, you walk through here, definitely come hungry, and you'll be happy when you leave. So I guess we're probably gonna leave here. There's still a lot of people waiting in line, so we don't want to take up too much time here. But man, if you get a chance to come to Thailand, come to Bangkok and walk down this China area. It is very, very, very good. Whew. All right, so I guess we'll call this a night, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.